Ah, I wish I knew how to preserve these papayas before they go bad. My God, what is this? Who are you?
It is I, Gab, the Genie Master, Master of Preservation. You rap for flavor? Your wish for preservation is granted.
Whoa! A genie food scientist? What perfect timing! We're making achara, a Filipino pickled dish.
And we will guide you to the process of fermentation.
Let's start with the ingredients. Shredded green papaya, brown sugar, salt, peppercorn, vinegar, onion, and garlic. Now we have gathered our ingredients to make the achara.
Step 1. Shred the green papaya and sprinkle it with salt. Let it sit for 12 hours. This draws out excess moisture. Step 2. Rinse the papaya and drain. Then prepare your other ingredients like sliced onions and minced garlic. In a saucepan, heat vinegar and sugar until it dissolves, then let it cool after. Step 4. Pack all the veggies into a sterilized jar and pour the cold vinegar mixture. After that, seal it tightly.
Now let the magic happen. Let the jar sit for at least 12 days at a room temperature for fermentation to develop flavor.
Do you know what type of fermentation achara uses?
Achara uses lactic acid fermentation, a type of anaerobic fermentation, which means it happens without oxygen. This natural lactic acid bacteria breaks down sugar into lactic acids, which not only preserve the food but also give achara its tangy, slightly sour flavor.
Does it involve enzymes, Robbie?
Yes, one key enzyme is amylase. It breaks down the starches from the papaya into simple sugars, which serve as the food for bacteria during fermentation. Without enzyme, like amylase, the bacteria wouldn't have the energy they need to ferment properly.
Science is yummy!
Now for storage, we use non-reactive, airtight glass. Glass keeps the flavor intact and prevents unwanted chemical reactions.
Storage is crucial for controlling the fermentation pace. Store it in a cool, dark place, then refrigerate it after opening. Proper storage means longer shelf life and better safety.
This smells so good. Here. See? Now let's try it now. Now I will try mine. This is amazing. This is so amazing.
In our community, achara is more than a side dish. It's tradition, it prevents food waste, promotes gut healthy, and even provides a small business opportunity for local marketers.
Amazing. 10 out of 10.
So, whether you are a scientist, a chef, or even a genie, us together,
From
papaya to pickled perfection, achara for the win!
Salamat,